Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to realize a 4 variable function using a 4x1 multiplexer. As we know, a 4x1 multiplexer has 4 inputs I0, I1, I2 and I3, 2 select lines S1 and S0 and 1 output. The truth table of a 4x1 multiplexer is given. When the select lines are 0, 0, the output is I0. When the select lines are 0, 1, output is I1. When it is 1, 0, output is I2. Similarly, when it is 1, 1, output is I3. In this problem, we can see that there are 4 variables and the multiplexer is having only 2 select lines. That is, the difference between the number of variables and number of select lines is more than 1. When the difference between the number of variables and number of select lines is equal to 1, a simple procedure to realize the function is presented in another video. The link for that video is given in the description below. Now, let the function to be implemented is f of ABCD is equal to sigma 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. As the first step, since we are using a 4x1 multiplexer, we have only 2 select lines. 2 variables need to be selected as the input to the select lines. In this problem, we will select variables A and B as the select line inputs. As the next step, we have to prepare a K-map. Make the entries in the K-map 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Now, as we have selected variables A and B as the input to the select lines, the function corresponding to the first column should be I0, corresponding to second column will be I1, third column I3 and fourth column I2. So, we can see that the function corresponding to first column is C. Corresponding to the second column is C bar plus C D bar. Third column is 0. Fourth column is C bar. Now we can easily realize this function using a 4x1 multiplexer and the basic gates. So we need to have C bar. For this we need to have a NOT gate. D bar, again a NOT gate is required. Now the first input is C, so we can connect C to the first input I0. Second input is C bar plus C D bar, so we need to have an AND gate and an OR gate. So the input to the AND gate is C and D bar, C and D bar. Input to the OR gate is C D bar plus C bar. Output of the OR gate is given to I1. I3 is 0. So here this you can ground, that is equal to 0. And I2 is C bar. I2 we can connect it to C bar. So this is how we can realize a 4 variable function using 4x1 multiplexer.